The old year is gone and the new year will bring everything that you have missed last year, and it's waiting for new hopes and the new beginning. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creation. I'm Sangeeta and I'm here to wish you a happy new year. New year is the best time to give fresh start to your unfilled dreams and promises. I want to tell you that I'm really grateful that in this 2018, as the year is ending, about to end, I had a new subscribers, new people, new friends, and also I want to thank my new YouTuber friends because of the tips and guidelines. It's helping me a lot to grow. It's not only about growing, liking, views, subscribers, but it makes me more positive. They give me a moral support and it helps me to learn more and more things. I would like to thank each one of you, my friends, my family, my viewers, my subscribers, that because of you I started growing. I have a big family right now of 3,000 subscribers. We are a big family, and I just want to have a big hug to all of you. Thank you so much. As I said that now we are a very big family, so some few members from this family wants to wish me and all of you a happy new year, and they want to say something. So here.
Happy New Year, Sangeeta. Have a great year ahead.
ਨਵੇਂ ਸਾਲ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਮੁਬਾਰਕਾਂ। ਖੁਸ਼ ਰਹੋ, ਮਸਤ ਰਹੋ, ਤੰਦਰੁਸਤ ਰਹੋ, ਵਿਅਸਤ ਰਹੋ ਔਰ ਖੂਬ ਮੌਜਾਂ ਕਰੋ। ਰੱਬ ਰੱਖਾ।
Feliz Navidad.
Hi, I'm Kathy, the Auntie Mummy. Sangeeta, I just wanted to wish you the very happiest of New Years and wish you all the best for 2019. I think your friendship and your channel have been a wonderful, wonderful thing to have found this year. And I just wanted to wish you all the best. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Hola mi gente, ¿qué tal? Yo soy el José Mata y quiero desearles que tengan una excelente Navidad y que su 2019 esté cargado de puras cosas buenas y bendiciones. Saludos.
¡Feliz Navidad!
I will try my best for the next year to make more and more videos, more beautiful crafts, and come more closer to you. Thank you so much for always showering your love by commenting, liking, sharing my videos. You all means a lot to me. Thank you for everything. Keep smiling, and once again, Happy New Year. See you next year.